Why the smartest systems don't start with microservices. Most teams don't need microservices. They need better boundaries. Monolith done right, the modular monolith. Act 1, the great promise. In the beginning, every great software system is small. A single repo, a single deployment, a single dream. One backend, one database, one team moving fast. This is the monolith. And for a while it feels invincible. Features ship daily, bugs are fixed quickly. Everyone understands the codebase. The system feels alive and obedient. But then the business grows. A monolith is just an application deployed as a single unit. Not bad, not evil, just simple. Most successful companies started this way. Amazon, Netflix, Uber, Facebook. Yes, all of them. Act 2. Success breeds complexity. More users arrive, more features are demanded, more developers are hired. The code grows, files multiply, dependencies tangle. A small change in one corner breaks something far away. The monolith still works, but now it groans. A fintech startup launches with a monolith. 6 months later, payments, wallets, FX, notifications, compliance, all in one code base. One deployment takes 40 minutes. A failed release brings everything down. The team says the magic words, "We need microservices." Act 3, the microservices mirage. So the monolith is shattered. Orders becomes a service, payments becomes a service, users becomes a service. New repos, new pipelines, new Docker images. Freedom at last. Or so it seems. The reality check. Network latency, distributed transactions, service discovery, retry storms, observability nightmares, DevOps overload. The system is now technically elegant and operationally brutal. For a small or medium team, microservices don't simplify life, they tax it. Case study. A startup with 8 engineers adopts microservices. They spend more time debugging inter-service failures, managing CI/CD, writing boilerplate than delivering features. Velocity drops, stress rises. Act 4, the forgotten middle path. But what if the problem was never the monolith, but how it was built? What if we could keep one deployment, one database, one operational unit, while still achieving clear boundaries, independent reasoning, and scalable teams? This is where the story bends. This is the modular monolith. Definition in plain language. A modular monolith is one application with strict internal modules that do not reach into each other's internals. Not packages, not folders. Boundaries with rules. Act 5. How modular monoliths actually work. Inside a modular monolith, every module owns its business logic, its data access, its invariants. No module calls another module's internals, touches its database tables directly, depends on implementation details. They talk through contracts, just like microservices, but without the network. Practical example. Fintech. Payments module, wallet module. Payments cannot query wallet tables, call wallet repositories. Instead, it calls a wallet API interface implemented internally. Same discipline, zero network cost. Enforcement techniques. Package private visibility, Java modules or JPMS, Arc unit tests, layered architecture rules. The compiler becomes your bouncer. Act 6. Why this scales better than you think. Teams scale, codebases scale, businesses evolve, and the modular monolith adapts. Different teams own different modules. They deploy together, but think independently. And when one module truly outgrows the rest, you already did the hardest work. The escape hatch. Because boundaries are clean, you can extract a module into a microservice without rewriting business logic, without database surgery. The modular monolith is microservices ready, but only when the pain is real. Real companies that did this. Shopify, GitHub, Basecamp. They didn't rush, they engineered patiently. Act 7. The final lesson. The software industry loves extremes. Monoliths are called legacy, microservices are called modern. But architecture is not fashion, it's physics. Most systems fail not because they chose the wrong architecture, but because they chose it too early. The modular monolith is not a compromise, it's maturity. Closing message. Build simple systems, enforce boundaries, delay complexity. Let your architecture grow with your understanding. Thank you for watching, and if this topic resonates with you, kindly share your thoughts in the comment and like.